Assalamu alaikum, how are you viewers? Today I'm here again with new video. I would like to say something before that about Allah Rabbul Izzat and its nature and its power. Whatever is apart from Allah is a manifestation of Allah's power, and the wonder of everything is the masterpiece of power. The mango comes from the mango tree, crops from the land, the train coming from the clouds. All these are masterpieces of the world of the Allah Pak Rabbul Izzat. Aren't these? Kid from a couple, and everything whatever you see is power of Allah, creature of Allah, but no any kind of strange in anything. If anything is seen out of order, if something goes against the order, we call it masterpiece of nature. Even though everything is a masterpiece of nature, there are many such as trees in the world, but the tree that I am going to show you today is one of the strangest tree in the world. I have never seen such a tree in my life. Although I have traveled all over the country, this tree is so big and covers such a large area that my words and my video cannot describe it. It is located in the graveyard of Allah Pur and is so wide that 15 to 20 beds can be placed under it. Going under it, it seems that there is a huge hall, and somehow its shade is very cool, and that hall-like tree is warm in the winter. Whenever I pass through Allah Pur, I must show this tree to my friends. I like it. I think it's the strangest tree in the world. You must have to visit it. It's really power and Allah Rabbul Izzat strange creation which will make you strengthen your power in Iman. And it has also another speciality which amazes me, that it is totally dry, you see, totally dry in inside, but totally green in upper side. If you think the water goes from the branches of the earth, but it is too dry, but upper side is green. People take rest here in the summer and also in winter. Many people come here and must enjoy seeing this wonder of Allah Rabbul Izzat. I request all of you must miss it. Whenever you pass through Allah Pur, you will amaze and like my advice to visit it.